Welcome to our favourite innovation in ceiling hoisting, the GoLift ceiling hoist. The GoLift ceiling hoist brings new dimensions to the world of patient handling. The GoLift is the smallest ceiling hoist on the market today, with a footprint of just 8 inches square. It's really tiny, and that has a couple of really big advantages when we're handling patients. Firstly, it offers much greater lift height within any room setting. So if you're challenged with low ceilings, the GoLift offers extra lifting height on a track system, so you can continue to handle your patient in the most effective way. That's particularly useful when you're using turning sheets, for instance, and you need an extra bit of height to perfect that turn. Its size also lends itself to environments where you want the hoist to blend in with the ceiling. So it's a bit smaller on the ceiling and therefore doesn't attract the eye quite so much. So if you're working in a sensitive environment where you want the handling equipment to blend in, the GoLift is a perfect choice. The GoLift hoist is available in 3 versions. Our standard community product is a 28 stone capacity hoist. Then we have our 50 stone capacity hoist, which is perfect for those who are in the bariatric lifting range. We also have a 72 stone combination hoist, which uses 2 50 stone hoists linked together with a bigger spreader bar and linked lifting unit. As standard, the GoLift works on a aluminium track system which is mounted to the ceiling in either straight, curved or combination rails like we have here, an XY system or room cover system, allowing you to cover the whole space. And the track system has the feature of in-rail charging. So no longer do we have to park the hoist into a corner to recharge the batteries or to plug the handset in. The GoLift takes its charge from the rail itself, so the power is delivered down the rail into the unit, so we can leave the unit anywhere on the rail and it will continue to charge the batteries. The handset itself is magnetic, and so it stores on the spreader bar within easy reach during the handling process. The handset is also equipped with an LED, 3 colours, green, orange and red. Green shows us that the hoist is operating perfectly, orange shows us the hoist is charging, and red is an error light. Those 3 colours are replicated on the hoist itself, so we can keep track of its state. The hoist will turn itself off after around 30 seconds of inactivity, so the LEDs will shut off, perfect for nighttime situations where we don't want lights to distract or wake an individual. The hoist again has the red cord. This acts as an emergency stop and an emergency lower system. The cord itself can just be pulled to operate the emergency stop and pulled and held to effect the emergency lower. Once a stop or an emergency lower has been effected, we just push the button back into the hoist itself to start the system up again. The spreader bar is a 2-hook system by default. We have an optional 4-point system as well. It has a 360-degree swivel at the base of the lifting tape, so it makes it very simple to hoist and manoeuvre a client without twisting the tape into the lifting unit. The GoLift ceiling hoist relies on the GoTrack system, the aluminium tracking, which is fitted in various configurations, which allows us to move the hoist around the room along straight or curved rails, depending on the situation we're trying to work in. We choose from a variety of rail sizes and lengths to complete the system, along with some accessories which might make a certain transfer quicker or simpler. For instance, in this room we have a gate system which allows us to move from room to room. Essentially, we consult with the user, an occupational therapist, an architect, building contractor, all the parties to ensure that we design both the system and the environment to work the best for you. We can then install and maintain the equipment, offering you warranties up to 10 years from installation. So if you have a challenge for patient handling that you'd like us to work with you on, get in touch. We're happy to have a discussion. We can use virtual or on-site assessment, and then we can work through to a perfect solution. Thank you for watching.